Joelle, are you ready for the final episode of our IELTS for Newbies series?
I don't need it. I'm an IELTS expert now.
Are you sure? Can you get 100% in our quiz?
Well, let's find out.
Hi, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Joelle.
And we are IELTS Together.
This is the last video of our IELTS for Newbies series.
And this has been to help people who are new to the IELTS test.
We hope it's been helpful.
And in this last episode of the series, we are going to do a review quiz to test how much you remember from our past 9 videos.
Let's start with question 1. What does IELTS stand for?
Is it the International English Language Testing System?
Or is it the ideal English language test structure?
What do you think? Let's watch this video to remind ourselves.
So what does IELTS stand for? Well, it actually stands for the International
English
Language
Testing
System.
Okay, let's have a look at our second question, question number 2. So which skills are different in the IELTS academic and IELTS general training tests?
Is it speaking and listening?
Or is it reading and writing?
What do you think? Let's have a look at our next video to find out. So in both tests, the speaking and the listening are exactly the same. So you don't need to worry about that one.
However, the reading and the writing sections are different.
Question 3. Which of these are the most similar?
Is it that Band 6 is most similar to a B1 level and that Band 7 is most similar to a B2 level?
Or is it that Band 6 is most similar to a B2 level and Band 7 is most similar to a C1 level?
What do you think? Okay, let's watch this video to find out.
So do have a look at this chart to see if you're near the right level.
Okay, so question 4. What should somebody do if their English level is lower than the band score they need?
So is it that they should work on improving their general English level first?
Or should they go straight into IELTS preparation?
What do you think? Let's find out in this next video.
If you are a lower English level than the band score you need, do not start with IELTS test practice. Step 1 is to work on improving your English language level first.
Then, once your English level is higher, step 2 is to start working on IELTS test techniques.
So next, question 5. What is the third step you should take when preparing for IELTS?
Is it working on your IELTS test techniques?
Or is it working on your weaknesses?
What do you think? Let's find out in the next video.
Okay, so let's look at the final step for your IELTS preparation. Fixing your weaknesses.
Okay, so question 6. What should someone do if they don't understand what the examiner has asked them in the IELTS speaking test?
Is it just say anything you can?
Or should they ask the examiner to repeat the question again or maybe check the meaning?
What do you think? Let's find out in this next video.
You can ask the examiner to repeat the question if you're not sure. It's fine.
Yeah, but I mean, obviously you don't want to ask every single question for them to repeat the question, but you know, sometimes, occasionally, it's okay.
Okay, question 7. How long should my answer be in task 1 of the writing test?
Should it be at least a minimum of 150 words?
Or should it be a maximum of 150 words?
What do you think? Okay, let's watch this video and see.
For the first part, your answer should be a minimum of 150 words. And for the second, it should be a minimum of 250 words.
Yes. So as you can see, there is a minimum. So you should write at least 150 words and 250 words, but there is no maximum.
Okay, so question 8. Is it possible to listen to the listening test audio more than once?
Is the answer yes?
Or is the answer no?
What do you think? Let's have a look in this next video.
Sorry guys, you only get one chance to listen to the audios in the IELTS listening test.
Okay, final question. Question 9. How long is the reading test?
Is it 30 minutes long?
Or is it 60 minutes long?
What do you think? Let's take a look at the final video to find out.
It's 60 minutes long, just like the writing test.
Okay, so how did you do? How many questions did you get right? Let's see how many you got right, Joelle.
I might have got a couple wrong.
Well, then I think you better go and re-watch the IELTS for Newbies series.
That's what I'm going to do, Charlotte. I'm going to re-watch the videos.
And for you, if you need to re-watch any of the videos, then go and do that. And if not, we'll see you in our next video.
See you there.
Bye.